Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change gender in Palmon Survival. One of my favorite things about mobile games is discovering that changing your character's gender is somehow easier than changing your username in most apps. If you're looking to update your gender in Paladin Survival, the process is actually pretty quick. I tested it myself by heading to my profile in the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see your name, gender, VIP level, and other account details. Right beside your name, there's a small pencil or an edit icon. Tap that and you'll open the customization menu where you can change things like your display name and gender settings. From there, simply select the option you want and confirm your choice. One thing I noticed is that the game appears to have a cooldown for gender changes. So if you recently changed it, you may need to wait before doing it again. You can also browse avatars, profile frames, and other customization options while you're there. Some character appearance features are still being added, so certain models may not be available yet. Overall, it's a simple process and doesn't require spending any in-game currency or premium items to make the change. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.